I guess in this tutorial I will talk about dictionaries in Python. So dictionaries are similar to hash or maps when compared to other programming languages. So they consist of key value pairs where each value will be paired with a specific key. So dictionaries are unordered, indexable, unmutable. So let me quickly initialize a dictionary here. So it has a key value pairs. So each key and value will be separated by colon, and after key value will be separated with comma. Last key value pair doesn't have comma. Okay, so you can access each value using specified key. Say now value is printed. To add the data to the dictionary will be using this method. So that is a dictionary. I'm going to print it out for you. So this value is added. Dictionaries are useful when you have multiple set of data. Uh, let's say if you want to store superhero movies, villains, and companies. So in here, each hero will be associated with different categories. So in scenarios like this, you can use dictionaries. Let me assign a dictionary first. First, we'll go with Ironman. Ironman movies or sorry. Let me first declare a movie first. Let's go with Ironman 1. Then go to Batman. Let's go with Dark Knight. So this is single category. For this, actually, you can also use list. You can also use like this. But we have two other categories. Like for those, we can add extra keys. This is where dictionaries will be helpful. So let me add villains. So in Iron Man, the villain is Ironmonger. In Dark Knight, villain is Joker. And let's go with company also. So the company is Marvel. For Batman, company is DC. So now we can access each of these values with specific keywords, specific. Okay, so each superhero will have multiple movies, have multiple villains, right? So we can use lists as a value. Okay, so we can specify movies as a list to our superhero. Let me just add Iron Man 2, Iron Man 3. Dark Knight Rises. Let me just add some comic movie, Batman villains. So same is true for the villains also. So villain Andrian, let me add 10 here. So you can access each of them like a list with a key value pair. Invalid syntax, what is the invalid syntax? Let me check, let me check, let me check. Okay, see if there is any problem with this. Let me just print Iron Man first. Okay, so I just missed this thing here. Same goes for here. Sorry. Okay, now everything is good. So to access the villains in Iron Man, we can use. Okay, let me just write the syntax here first. So Iron Man followed by villains will give us the list. Within the list, we need first element. Okay, if we print this thing, we should be getting Iron Man. See, same is true for Batman also. We should be getting Joker. Villains. Okay, there is small key error. We get a Joker. So another way is actually you can use dictionaries within dictionaries, or actually you can use list of dictionaries. So let me make a list superheroes which has Iron Man and Batman. So in superheroes list, Iron Man is the first element, which is the object. Within that, we can use key villains to access the villains. Within those villains, Iron Man is the first one. So how can we access that? So superheroes will give us the list. Within that, zeroth element will be Iron Man. So Iron Man is object. Within the object, we need Let's go to movies. Okay, so movies will return us list of movies. Okay, so within this list we need second movie. So we'll go to superheroes. We need the first one. Go to movies. Within those movies we need a first one. So we can just print it out. This will give us Ironman 2. See, that's all folks. Thanks for watching. For more videos please subscribe to my channel.